department of mathematics, we will ask you some questions. Okay.
Okay.
If we take x tends to infinity, so sin x is less than infinity. X tends to infinity, that is limit x tends to infinity is not equal to infinity.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
But does not exist doesn't necessarily mean infinity. The floor function. Right.
Which function?
The floor function.
Yes.
So the floor of x looks like this. So this is 0, this is 1.
Yes.
This is 1, this
Yes.
is 2.
This is the step function.
Yes. So if you go from this side, then it's 1. If you go from this side,
Yes.
it's 0. Right?
Yes.
So the same way, the limit of sine of x can be anything between -1 and 1. And we can't decide on an exact value.
Yes,
of course,
yes.
we have an upper bound and a lower bound.
Yes, definitely.
But those don't come close enough to actually give us.
So that's what does not exist.
दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो ओ हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है जाल लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है हिम्मत मर्दा अगर हो संग खुदा भी होता है जा ज़माने को दिखा दे खुद में दम क्या होता लहरा सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में
Why might a manufacturer prefer convex over concave? Does anyone want to answer? Yes.
Car manufacturers use convex mirror except concave mirrors because it enlarges the images from far distances.
Yes. Sort of, but there's also one other reason manufacturers may prefer convex. Can you think of it?
No, not any.
Okay. You can sit back down, but you got one reason right, so. No, I want to hear everyone clap. Time dilation and length contraction are two extreme phenomena that are used to keep the speed of light constant.
Sir, my question to you is, can you please explain about the loop quantum gravity?
Quantum gravity is essentially the efforts of scientists to unite the quantum mechanics, which is basically dictated by, I believe, the Schrodinger wave equations, with the macroscopic theory of relativity that is dictated by Einstein. And there have been several attempts, but the equations of the two fields contradict with each other. Maxwell's macroscopic equations can be written as Gauss's law, which says that the divergence of the electric field is equal to the charge density divided by the permittivity of free space. Gauss' law for magnetism, which states that the curl of the magnetic field is zero. The Faraday's law of induction, which states that the curl of the electric field is equal to the negative time derivative of the magnetic field. And Ampere's circular law, which states that the curl of the magnetic field is equal to the permeability of free space times the current plus the permittivity of free space times the time derivative of the electric field.
ऐसे जागो रे साथियों दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो